Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make natural multivitamin at home. First, gather a diverse selection of fresh, organic produce. Think about vibrant leafy greens, colorful berries, and a mix of root vegetables. The goal is to combine ingredients that offer a wide array of vitamins and minerals. We'll explore simple methods to prepare these ingredients into a potent, natural supplement. To build a robust multivitamin, focus on key nutrient sources. Leafy greens such as spinach and kale are packed with vitamins K, A, and folate. For a powerful dose of vitamin C and antioxidants, incorporate citrus fruits and a variety of berries. Don't forget nuts and seeds. They provide healthy fats, vitamin E, and essential B vitamins, contributing to overall wellness. Preparing your homemade multivitamin is straightforward. Begin by thoroughly washing all your chosen fruits and vegetables. For a smoothie-style multivitamin, simply combine your ingredients in a high-speed blender with a small amount of filtered water until smooth. If you prefer a juice, use a juicer to extract the liquid, separating it from the pulp. Both methods deliver a nutrient-rich boost. To maximize the benefits of your natural multivitamin, it's best to consume it immediately after preparation for peak freshness and nutrient potency. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator, but aim to drink them within 24 hours. Remember to experiment with different ingredient combinations to ensure a diverse and comprehensive nutrient intake over time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.